What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making hot crab dip. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need blue crab meat, Parmesan cheese, Mozzarella cheese, Colby Jack cheese, cream cheese, butter, sour cream, mayo, heavy whipping cream, green bell pepper, yellow onion, jalapeno, lemon, fresh parsley, Creole seasoning, Cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Louisiana hot sauce. We're going to begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Dice a half a green bell pepper. Dice a jalapeno. Mince fresh parsley. Cut a lemon in half. Shred a half cup of Parmesan, mozzarella, and Colby Jack cheese. In a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add veggies and saute for 5 minutes or until tender. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half cup of heavy whipping cream, a half cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of mayo. Mix until well combined. Season to taste with Creole Seasoning, Cayenne Pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Add the juice of a half a lemon and mix. Add 2 tablespoons of parsley. Add veggies. Add a half cup of Parmesan, mozzarella, and Colby Jack cheese and fold in. Add 16 ounces of crab meat, break down, and fold in. Now we're going to place our crab dip in a cast iron skillet. Top with a mixture of each cheese, and parsley. We're going to set our oven to 450 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. And there you have it, hot crab dip. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.